In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch import pictures into different slides of PowerPoint, a skill that can save you a significant amount of time, especially when working on a presentation with numerous images. To begin with, the first thing you'll need to do is open PowerPoint on your computer, make sure you have the software installed and ready to go. Once inside PowerPoint, navigate to the specific presentation you're working on. This could be a new document or an existing one, depending on your project's needs. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar and locate the Insert tab. This tab is essential as it contains all the options needed for adding various types of content to your slides, such as text boxes, tables, and most importantly for our task today, pictures. Now simply click on the Insert tab to access these options. After clicking Insert, you'll see a range of insertion options. Look for the option labeled Pictures. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear, giving you several sources from which to import your images. From the available choices, choose This Device. This selection allows you to import images stored locally on your computer, which is ideal when you're working with files saved on your hard drive. As soon as you select this device, a file dialog box will pop up. It might seem like just an ordinary file explorer window, but here's where you can really make the process quick and efficient. Navigate to the folder containing the images you plan to import into your presentation. To choose multiple images at once, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on each image. This allows you to select multiple pictures rather than adding them one by one, thus facilitating a faster and more efficient workflow. Once you've selected all your desired images, look towards the bottom of the file dialog box, where you'll find the Insert button. Click this button and watch as PowerPoint works its magic by automatically placing each selected picture onto individual slides in your presentation. This results in each picture having its own slide arranged in the order they were selected, which is perfect for keeping things organized and streamlined. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've efficiently imported multiple images onto separate slides within your PowerPoint presentation. Mastering this technique not only enhances your productivity, but also helps maintain a clean and professional look for your presentations. Remember, whether you're preparing for a conference or a school project, the ability to handle images efficiently can make a significant difference in the quality and delivery of your work. So keep practicing and soon you'll be able to batch import images with ease and confidence.